Hello everyone, this is Chad Fox with Not 10 Yacht Sales. Featured in this video is a 2018 MTI V-42. Boat is in fantastic condition, phenomenal color scheme. The hull is in great shape, not bottom painted, always been trailer kept and inside a garage. It comes with Mercury 500 quads. These motors are 2023. It was repowered in October of 2023. Therefore, the warranty is good until October of 2026. You can purchase an extended 2-year warranty on these motors through Mercury. I'll give you a little closer look at the hull. This boat's in fantastic condition. The owner has maintained and kept her with an open checkbook. So give you a good look all the way around. All right, so now we're going to walk through and give you a nice look through the cockpit area. Seadeck throughout, again, excellent condition. Plenty of seating on the boat and lots of storage. If you look at my pictures, I took plenty with the open compartments. 2 rows of seating with bolsters. Plenty of room at the helm station. This is a triple monitor system. Give you a good look at everything. There's your bow thruster, Garmin control, nice windshield. And there's all of your lighting switches and the storage up top. You also saw in the pictures, these are wings that come out to protect the wind as you're moving along. Awesome front seating. And this centerpiece does come up. There's a table that goes, so you can have a table sitting up front. Nice walk around. And you have a beautiful lounge chair for 2 people. And it does open up, plenty of storage. So there's your second wing. Moving around, there's JL audio speakers with a Fusion head unit. And now what we'll do is we're going to take a look at the small cabin area. So inside the cabin area, you have a refrigerator, nice sink. This is actually where your toilet is. I do have it pictured. And then this nice seat in here folds out to a queen size bed, which is also pictured. Mirror up top and another controller for your Fusion stereo. And you have air conditioning and heat down below. So give you a look coming around this way. Again, plenty of seating. You look up top. One more time. And a look back at the motors from this side. There's your back platform. And there you have it. That will conclude the video for a 2018 MTI V-42. My information is coming up, so please reach out for a private showing. If you like my video, hit the subscribe button. Thanks for watching, and safe boating, everyone.